Greetings. If you like these daily crypto analysis videos, hit the like button and subscribe. Please share these videos with your friends to help the channel grow. I'm Crypto Snake, back again to discuss some Bitcoin analysis. So I just want to start this video out by saying this entire area is a no trade zone for me with the current price action. I'm seeing a lot of market manipulation that makes me really hesitant to follow any of this technical analysis. That being said, we're going to go ahead and start on the one-day chart here. So we did have a massive breakdown here from the 6400 support area, which played out yesterday. There was a slight bear flag forming, but I didn't take that into account as the entire area is just full of manipulation here. Followed by another daily candle green wicking all the way back up above this support and resistance line again. This obviously happened as we wicked off of the 6150 support down at the bottom here and got boosted right back up into there. I will cover that in a little while by going down to the 4-hour chart, and I'll explain exactly what happened there. The SAR right now on the daily is still moving very, very bearish. The Chiku span on the daily has also moved within price, which would indicate normally side trading. But as I said, it's very, very full of manipulation right now, so I'm not trusting a lot of these indicators. However, the daily price is still very, very separated from the Kijins in here. But we also have a TK crossover forming on the daily chart. So while I am expecting the price to pull back to the Kijinsen, and normally it would, I do believe this Tenkan-sen will also come down to meet the price as well. Overall right now, due to the market health and market conditions, I'm leading very, very bearish right now. But before I get on with the rest of my technical analysis here, if you'd like to join my free Telegram for insights on the market, including Bitcoin, altcoins, and a sneak peek to my personal entries and exits, join t.me/cryptosnakebit. Links directly to the chat and a link on how to install Telegram, which is a free chat program I use to communicate with my VIPs, in the description below. Also, I have given out a list of potentially discount altcoins that plan to ride for the bull run when it comes, and we have been capitalizing Bitcoin's movements, pulling 25% gains on ZRX, 20% on WON, 7% on GAME, and 10% on ADA. If you want information on how to get into the VIP group to be part of these trades, the information is also in the description below. So let's go ahead and take a look at the overall health of the market, as this is very, very important. Most of the altcoins right now are bleeding significant amounts here on the 24-hour chart, and I do believe they're going to bleed more just because of Bitcoin's movement right now. The weekly charts on everything is absolutely getting destroyed, 25-30%, absolutely just ripping through most of the altcoin market. And these are the actual blue chip coins. If we actually go down into the micro altcoins, they're suffering even worse than this. The overall market cap, we did actually break down below that 200 billion number, which is very, very bearish. A lot of money has been pulling out of the market. People have been panicking, and Bitcoin dominance is looking no better. We've been steadily inclining here on Bitcoin dominance, moving up to almost 56%. We're now in this 55 to 56% range with no signs of plateau or stopping. We're still slightly inclining here. That leads me to be even more bearish on Bitcoin right now. If we go ahead and take a look here at the Bitcoin shorts, which is basically the number of people betting against the market, you see we're still up at this all-time high. We did have a slight pullback, which caused that nice green candle that I did say was likely to happen if we had a short squeeze, but we are still continuing up here, posting a green candle on the Bitcoin shorts. So the market's still fairly indecisive right now, which is given to the side trading and these sharp dumps here. But I wouldn't be surprised if we actually saw the Bitcoin shorts here actually break through this all-time high before getting a short squeeze and producing a nice pump on Bitcoin. Going back to my Bitcoin analysis here, I wanted to go down to the 4-hour chart here and take a look. One thing I really wanted to point out here is these Bart-Simpson candles, which is basically formed when you have a sharp drop followed by sideways trading and then an increase right back up. This is basically in the span of under a day. As you can see here, we had a Bart-Simpson going down here, and now we're forming another Bart-Simpson. So what are these? What is this pattern? This is basically high functioning trading bots. They're trading with millions and millions of dollars, and they basically exit the market and enter the market to make profit, either by shorting or longing. Normally these actions cause a lot of fear and panic or FOMO. So when they start a short here and pull that massive amount of money out of the market, it just compounds and compounds and compounds. People get scared. They pulled out somewhere around here. Price gets down to here. They buy back in. Massive green candle. Everyone rides that train, says, oh my god, it's happening, it's happening. They hop up. Same thing again. Back down. They sell here. It's going to drop. It's probably going to level off around that previous support around the 6200, 6150 area before going back up. So overall though, we are actually trending around the Kijinsen here, but again, I'm very, very skeptical about any of this technical analysis right now. But you can see that we have been just striking right through that Kijinsen back and forth, back and forth. So right now, the market manipulators are definitely in play right now, and they are definitely in charge of the market. So that's why I call it a no trade area. We also do have a bearish falling cloud ahead, which leads me to be slightly more bearish than I am bullish right now. Even though we are side trending and I am expecting a short squeeze, I'm still leaning mostly bearish here because the indicators here obviously don't correlate with those shorts and longs. Another reason that I'm leaning fairly bearish here, but I don't have any price targets at the moment, but it basically appears that the manipulation is intended to drop Bitcoin's price lower until we get to this Bitcoin short squeeze, which will likely pump us up. As you can see, we are forming lower peaks here continually. I'm going to expect that to continue down until we hit that resistance area for a nice potential pennant forming. We have actually started to post our first bullish SAR dots here on the 4-hour chart. So that is bullish, but it's not as much momentum as I would like to see on that. Chikou span is slightly below price, which is bearish, likely to move into price. Again, these candles here have entirely thrown that off. The RSI, we did actually bounce off of the 41 resistance area. As you can see, that's where we peaked here and wicked right back down. And we did just break through the 36 support. So we're likely to continue back down into that 30 area to finish off this Bart Simpson candle here. So before I wrap this video up, personally, I'm not trading. I just want to say good luck to you if you are trading this week. Please join me in my free Telegram at t.me/cryptosnakepit, where I give up-to-the-minute updates on Bitcoin and my personal exits and entries for the private VIP group. Also included is our private VIP chat, where you can chat with many of our experienced Savage traders, get personal technical analysis from me, and answer any questions you might have. This is CryptoSnake, signing off.